First, we have to convert the original table provided into the table on the right-hand side by converting the class interval and calculating the midpoint of each class interval. Then, we can make another table by multiplying each midpoint by each frequency, which is the number of the companies provided. Then we have to calculate the mean. Since we cannot find the exact mean and median from a group of data, we can only give estimation. So we have to calculate the estimated mean by the equation provided. And the estimated mean can be calculated by sum of midpoint times frequency divided by the sum of frequency, which is 379,646 divided by 2018, and the answer is 1,825.2. And for the median, since the median is the middle value, which in our case is the 104.51, which is in the 1,500 to 1,999 grouped, the median group. At the boundary 1,499.5, the cumulative frequency is 19, which is calculated by sum of 0 plus 32 plus 58. And at the boundary of 1,999.5, the cumulative frequency is 151. So the estimated median can be calculated by the equation provided, which the answer is 1,617.2.
I will talk about standard deviation, how to calculate this question. And now you can see the sample variance of this formula, and we can get the standard deviation depends on the sample variance. In this question, because it is the grouped data, so we get sigma xf fx, sigma fx is 379,646, and sigma fx square is 820,8078,02.1, and sigma f is 208. So we can get the sample variance by this formula, is 61772.9465. So you can get the standard deviation is 768. So we can get the standard deviation is 786.
I'm Christy. I'm going to explain the answer of Part C. We need to estimate the probability that a company will make a profit more than or equal to $700,000. Here is the information from the question. A frequency table that shows the levels of turnover of a random sample of 208 computer companies, and an equation that how the profit is related to its turnover. We can find that the profit is equal to 1/2 of the profit is equal to 1/2 of turnover minus $550,000 from this equation. First, let us put $700,000 of profit into this equation to find out the levels of turnover a company need to make the profit. After put it into the equation, we can find that the $700,000 plus $550,000 and then times 2, the answer will come out. Therefore, the turnover need to be more than or equal to 2.5 million. From the From the frequency table, we can find that there are two levels of turnover is more than or equal to 2.5 million. There are 28 and 16 companies in these two levels. After 28 plus 16, we can find that there are 44 companies fulfill the requirement to make a profit more than or equal to 700,000. The information of the question told there are 208 companies in the frequency table. So we can use 44 divided by 208 to get the answer that the probability of a company will make a profit more than or equal to $700,000 is 0.2115.
Hi, I'm Zhang Yuanxi. So today I'm going to demonstrate the part B. So according to our question, we have to calculate the turnover exceeded by 20% of the companies. So we can see the turnover exceeded by 25% of the companies, which means we have to find the third quartile of the turnover, because the definition of the third quartile means the data, the 75% of the data will be less than or equal to the third quartile. So here comes the the formula of third quartile. So this is the third quartile formula, and we have to add the L1 means the lower class boundary of the class which contains the third quartile, and the L2 means the higher class boundary of the class contains third quartile. And we can know that the third quartile is in a group of turnover 2,000 to less than 2,500, because 200, the total companies is 208 companies, and it divided by 4, we will have 52 companies. So which means we have to find the third quartile. And according to the formula, we can find that the answer is 2,378.7879.
I'm Kim Sang-Loi, and I will explain part D, and I will construct 98% confidence interval for population mean of turnover of all computer companies of a certain area, and state my assumption and approximation and interpret my answer. First, I will let X be the sample mean of the turnover for the computer companies at certain areas, and by the central limitation theorem, we can approximate that the sample mean is approximate with the population mean and the standard deviation. In answer A, we calculate that as 208 number of the companies, and the sample mean is 1782.06, and the standard deviation is 754.73, and there is 98% confidence interval. So we use 1 minus 96% times 100%. So we get the alpha is 0.02, and we divide by 2, and we can get there is the set is 0.01, and use the formula in there to sub all the mean, standard deviation, and the n into the formula, and we can get that the population mean is between 169.52 and 1951.92.